Alright, in this video we're going to learn about setting up the camera. So first off, shut down our Pi. Okay, Pi is shut down. I'm going to unplug the power source. Okay, so that my Pi is unused. I've still got my stuff set up from my last project. The camera comes on this very long little thing. The side with the words on it is going to be pushed in behind this little area right here. So let's go right here, and it just kind of fits. If you just gently jiggle back and forth, then it is in. Okay, make sure that the words are pointing away from you. This is an update to the previous little bit. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do with my Raspberry Pi camera is I'm going to go down to the preferences area and say, let's take a look at our Raspberry Pi configuration. We're going to go to something called interfaces, and we're going to enable the camera. When we say OK, it's going to ask us to restart the system. Say sure. We need to okay. Now we'll go ahead and turn on the Pi, plugging it back in. And now we are. Notice that it just kind of flops around. You can set it on something so that it's going to point it somewhere. I'll point it so that it shows up on me just a little bit. I got my Raspberry Pi box right there, and it'll point at, we'll see what it'll point at. Point it somewhere in my room. Okay. I'm restarting my computer. Now the first job was turning on your camera, and the second job, we're going to go open Python 3. We're going to open a new thing, open a new file, and we are going to call it camera.py. File, save as, just camera. Now, we're going to enter this code. Now, we can try to copy and paste from here. It sometimes works, but remember, we can't really have any of these spaces at the beginning. So if you do copy and paste it, you'll need to go back and delete every little bit of space. That's in there. And this is the first time we're running our code, so we're going to save it, and let's see what our code screen looks like. Run module. Okay, there it is. A little crazy right there. And the preview is going for 10 seconds. Okay, if I want to change the length of the preview, I can change this number down to 5 seconds and hit run. Okay, and we'll have a shorter preview for now. Here's my TV, my classroom, and me. Now there's a lot of editing that can be done with this. We'll make some changes as it goes around. Preview is just the first one. But if we actually want to take a picture, we have to give it some code. Okay. If your preview was upside down, you could rotate it this way by putting that bit of code in there. If you want to change the transparency, you can use this feature right here, Alpha 200. And just changing that Alpha 200 in there will make it so it's slightly see-through. I'll go ahead and add that to my code just to see how it responds. and it says start preview, paste alpha 200. Put it right in there. And I'll run the module. I still have it on 5 seconds. So for 5 seconds, alpha equals 200. Invalid syntax. That's always a good thing to look at. Huh. Oh, I know why. I have 2 parentheses there. Always look back. Let's try it again. Okay, now you can see that you can kind of see through the pie. Cool. So alpha value can be anything. If you just take it away, it goes to full screen. And put it back to parentheses. All right. So if we actually want to take a picture, we should put this code underneath here, camera capture. And we'll paste it down here. Camera capture, and it's telling us where to go. Remember, no white spaces. Home Pi desktop image. If I don't like the name image, I could change it to test. Okay, and then stop the preview when it's done. Let's give this one a try. Okay, let's see how that preview, oh look, there it is, test JPEG. Double click on it and it opens up and I caught myself smiling. So, there we go. Now, if you want a series of photos, you can copy this one. It'll make for eye in range 5. That'll make 5 pictures, one after another. Okay, it'll make it image 1, image 2. You can play with that. You can start it recording. So if you want it to record, we'll take this bit of code and copy it underneath our code right here. We're going to go from the start preview and sleep 5 and paste. Camera start recording. I'll just let it record for 5 seconds so we can see how this works. Camera stop recording, and then camera stop preview. All right, let's run this thing. Here we go, 5 seconds of recording. Okay, and it must have put it in Pi Home Video 264. So I'm going to go to Pi, and I should see one right here called Video 264. If I double click on this, it's going to look for a player to play it. I think the one we're going to look for is called I guess I don't know a player that's on here. To play the video, you'll need to open Terminal by clicking on black monitor in the taskbar. Oh, yes, type in the following command and hit enter to play the video. Copy, let's open Terminal, and paste it right in here. There's the video. Have a nice day.